Hello students, today we are going to start next chapter, that is differential equation. Now the first question is, what is differential equation? An equation, if we write the equation dy upon dx is equals to 2xy. It is a differential equation. It contains a dependent variable y, independent variable x, and derivative of dependent variable. So what is the definition? What is differential equation? Write down. An equation containing an independent variable, an equation containing an independent variable a dependent variable and derivative of dependent variable is called differential equation. So what is the differential equation? ऐसी equation which contains dependent variable, independent variable and derivative of dependent variable. Now what is dependent and independent variable? Variable means who change value. X and y are variable here. X is independent variable, y is dependent variable. Why y is dependent variable here? Because value of y depends on x. Differentiate dy upon dx, value of y depends on x. So y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Let us take some examples of differential equations. Write down d square y, second order derivative of y with respect to x, plus 5y is equals to ex. This is differential equation. Dy upon dx is equals to sin x plus cos of x. X square dx plus y square dy is equals to 0. These are some differential equations. Again I am repeating, what is differential equation? An equation containing an independent variable, dependent variable and the derivative of dependent variable is called differential equation. Now after differential equation, second definition is order of differential equation. What is the order of differential equation? Order of differential equation is highest order derivative appearing in equation is order of equation. Order क्या है? किसी भी equation में जो highest order derivative होगा, that is called order of differential equation. Highest order derivative is called order of differential equation. Now we write the next definition, degree of differential equation. Write down degree of differential equation. The power of highest order derivative, the power of differential equation after it is made free from radicals and fractions is called degree of differential equation. Now what is the degree? Power of highest order derivative. Order क्या था हमारे पास? Highest order derivative is called order of differential equation and the power of highest order derivative is called degree of equation. Let us take some examples. Write down d square y upon dx square plus 3 dy upon dx cube plus 2y is equals to 0. dy upon dx whole square plus 5y is equals to sin x. X d square y upon dx square cube plus y dy upon dx 4 plus y square is equals to 0. Now we want to find order and degree of these equations. What is the order? Order is the highest order derivative. This is first order derivative and this is second order derivative. So order of this equation is 2. Now what is the degree? Degree is power of highest order derivative. Here the power of highest derivative is 1. So degree of this equation is 1. Now in the second case, order is first order derivative here. So order is 1 and its power is 2. So degree is 2. In the third equation, highest order derivative is second order derivative and its power is 3. So order 2 and degree 3. Now the next is linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation. What is linear differential equation? A differential equation is linear if it is expressible in the form. A differential equation is linear if it is expressible in the form P naught dn y upon dx power n, P1 dn minus 1 y dx n minus 1 plus P2 dn minus 2 y upon dx power n minus 2 so on up to Pn minus 1 dy upon dx plus Pn y is equals to q. Where P naught, P1, P2 so on up to Pn and q are either constants and non-linear differential equation, if it is degree more than 1, अगर non-linear differential equation कब है, if its degree is more than 1, any of differential coefficient has exponent more than 1. कोई भी differential equation का exponent means power is more than 1, then it is non-linear. Exponent of dependent variable is y in here. Dependent variable is y. If exponent of dependent variable is more than 1, then it is called non-linear. And if the product containing dependent variable and its differential coefficient, is present, then it is called non-linear differential equation. Now it is about linear and non-linear differential equation. Now in this chapter, first we start questions related to order and degree. After that, we form the equation of formation of differential equation, verification of differential equation. We use differential equation to solve the integrals by separating the variables, to solve homogeneous equations, and to solve linear differential equations. Now we will start order and degree of differential equation.